service in Weston has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, about 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, about 20 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, about 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, stronger thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles east of Siesta Key to 58 nautical miles west of Longboat Pass, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include D5 Reef, Englewood, D2 Reef, Longboat Key, Venice Inlet, M4 Reef, MD1 Reef, Siesta Key, M7 Reef, M8 Reef, M17 Reef, Big Sarasota Pass, D6 Reef, M5 Reef, M1 Reef, MD4 Reef, D3 Reef, Sarasota Bay Heart Reef, MD3 Reef, and M6 Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. These are the 4 p.m. observations for the local area on Wednesday, June 21st. At Tampa International, it was cloudy. The temperature was 74 degrees.